What's good, all my SGMS, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of SGM family by subscribing, like, sharing, comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And no, shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang gang. And before you watch this video, like every other video, don't forget to add me on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and you're already watching me on YouTube and Snapchat. All the same name, SgmCashoutKing, just like the YouTube, except for Facebook. It's SgmCashoutKing, because you already know, if you've been watching me for a while, Facebook hating on your boy. So it is what it is. I have to make a new one because the grind don't stop. That's why I say follow me on these social media. Just like I was deleted on Facebook, YouTube could go for whatever reason. I actually got deleted before. I'm not even gonna lie to you. They suspended me for 2 weeks and they terminated my channel. I had to fight to get it back. Y'all probably didn't even realize it. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, like I said, that's what happened. Things happen. So you want to stay in contact just in case something happens. I gotta make a new channel, etc. Like I said, but you see me, it's what? 117. You know what I'm saying? It's 117 on Mondays. You know what I'm saying? I'm closed on Mondays, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm here home drinking my iced coffee. I'm chilling. You know what I'm saying? This is what you need to build yourself, excuse me, to do. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is that you're doing. Like I said, I don't knock anybody that has a 9 to 5, grind. But like I said, you also got to invest. So whatever you want to do, if you're a female, you want to do makeup, have a beauty salon, or whatever it is you want to do. If you're a male, play ball or clothing line or anything, you have to invest, man. Everybody invests, you know what I'm saying, to go on and live their dream. You know what I'm saying? I'm relaxing at home doing what I want to do. I want to cloud. A lot of people taking a lunch break right now. Maybe you that's watching this right now is taking a lunch break while watching this video. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, like I said, you're probably watching our work. This video is not about that. But oh yeah, I almost forgot. You know what I'm saying? Sorry to make the intro so long. But if you're 18 or over and want to join a real business, you'll hit me up on Facebook on the inbox. You know what I'm saying? Or DM me on Instagram. I prefer Facebook. Hit me up if you're 18 or over in the US. You know what I'm saying? Hit me, and you got to be serious. But let's get into this video, man. This video is about an app called, it's an app I ain't used in a long time, man. In a real long time. That made me a couple $100. I mean, over $1,000. You know what I mean? It's Split. So let's get into it. And the reason why I stopped using it because they changed a lot of stuff on here. As you can see right now when the screen open, it didn't look nothing like this. Let me go back to number one. You gotta complete 5 levels, right? 5 levels. Before it wasn't like that. You know what I'm saying? You refer people, you fulfill tasks, you'll split. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna get into all that, the old ways to do. You can split, earn points, yada yada. You know what I'm saying? Now you have to complete tasks. As you can see right here, I completed 5, right? But you'll think, you know, I completed 6. You'll think, you know what I'm saying, I'll be up and getting the points. They're making it harder now. So you go to the next page. As you can see, I completed 5. But this one was let's say I got to have 1.5 in commissions, which I've been did that, so I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? It's giving me a hard time. Whatever. I ain't waste my time, and I got other money to get other places. You see 3, I only got 2. Other ones is getting on my nerves. They say I complete a little bit here. I ain't want to keep going with it. You know what I'm saying? On 4, I only did 1. And on 5, I did 8. You know what I'm saying? But like I say, I ain't gonna lie. I made a lot of money on this app, so you know what I'm saying, you could go back in my videos. You could see from a long time. Some of them I didn't post. I posted a lot of them, and a lot of them I didn't. You know what I'm saying? I got myself plane tickets with this for PlayStation games, all types of stuff with this app. You know what I'm saying? But let me go back into it. So basically, you know what I mean. Let me close this. Sorry about that. That's what you're doing now. Like I said, besides the normal split, if you have this is for iPhone users. I'm sorry, you know what I'm saying? I don't make the rules. iPhone is for iPhone. You got an iPhone, an iPad, anything Apple computer, like I do Apple computer right here. Anything Apple, like I said, let me give you a prime example. You can split by pressing this. See how that says split right there? It's gonna load up. This is like something for frames, for glasses. Split. Now it copies it instead. So I don't know if the text is gonna pop up or it's not. Before it used to pop up with the text and the social media platforms, and then you was able to you was able to pick who you wanted to send it to. So I pressed that. Let me find somebody to text it to. You know what I'm saying? So I can show you an example. I'm not gonna probably text it to them, but let me see. I could go like this. Hold on 1 second. This conversation's having with my boy. I think paste right there. Man, and I could split it to him right now. I'm just gonna split it and tell him I sent it to him by mistake. Doesn't matter. Let me see. Since he has an iPhone, it's gonna open right back up. You know what I'm saying? Right there. You see, bam. When he opens it, it's gonna send me. It's gonna send me. It's gonna send me it. Let me just tell him that was by mistake. You know what I mean? Give me 1 second. Alright, so like I said, that's all you gotta do is split. You know what I mean? All you gotta do is split. And that's it. Split, and you gotta fulfill all these tasks right here. Damn, he hit me right back. See, laugh a lot. I tell him my bad, it's not for you. But anyways, let me go back. All you gotta do is split and fulfill the tasks that I told you to do earlier. Like I said, this app changed a lot. You gotta start from scratch. And it's like I said, tasks in order for you to get paid more. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, this is my current balance right here. You know what I mean? I don't have anywhere to show a history, but this is the current balance right now available. You know what I'm saying? Which is $37. You know what I'm saying? A penny. I guess it's like 2 pennies pending, which it's whatever. Like I said, you can donate to charity. You can donate gift cards. Let me go to the gift cards. We got Amazon, Target. We got eBay, Walmart, Nike. You know, you got some good stuff in here. You know what I'm saying? More stuff loading up. You know what I mean? Bed Bath & Beyond, American Eagle. It's whatever you're into. Foot Locker, Best Buy, whatever you're into. You know what I mean? You can get. And also we have PayPal, of course. If you're into the money, which I've gotten plenty of these. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, right now I could get a $10 card. But why would I do that? I'm gonna build myself back up. Like I said, I haven't used the app for a while. Like I said, because I felt like, yo, why would you change the format of the app? You know what I mean? It would make it harder for people when y'all was having success. If we making money, that means the developers of the app are making money. So I don't know why they would switch it up. But anyways, like I said, the link will be in the description below. It's not hard. Like I said, I'm gonna give it another run. So like I said, I'm not gonna tell you to do something that I'm not doing. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna give it another run. Like I said, my link will be in the description below. See, I can split again, and I can paste my referral link. But like I said, it will be in the description below. So I'm not even gonna show you right here. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically it. You split with your friends. You know what I'm saying? Friends and family, or on social media. Let's just say, for example, them Jordans that you want people to see. You know what I'm saying? That you always put up there anyway. Like, oh, these is fire. You know what I'm saying? You put it on your page, your Facebook page, or your Instagram. Well, mainly your Facebook page, because you can't really post links like that on Instagram. And so now what you do is you go to Split, you go to the website on Safari. You know what I'm saying? You go to the Split, copy the link, and put it on your Facebook. So all those people that's pressing it just to see what you was talking about, you know what I'm saying, gonna get you some points so you can get further, you can get paid. You know what I mean? So it's that simple. Like I said, complete the task, which is you're gonna start at 1. Whatever's asking you to do, you just do it. You know what I mean? It's simple. Let me go to this one right here. So it tells you whatever, blase. Let me give you another one so I give you a better example. See, it's telling me to do. I gotta do some tasks right here. It tells you everything, and you press it, and you go. That's all you gotta do. You know what I mean? So like I said, I'm gonna give it a run. You know what I'm saying? See if I can get back to the money on this app. Like I said, sometimes you gotta try things out. You know what I mean? And also, once again, if you're 18 or over and want a real legit business, a life-changing business, you know what I'm saying, that could possibly retire, or even just add an extra income, $400 or $500. You know what I'm saying, extra to your 9-to-5 job you're getting every week on top. And that could be a life changer. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes that's what people need. Some people just getting over the hump. You know what I'm saying? They're making just enough, you know what I'm saying, to pay their bills and ends meet. The extra $500 a month will push them over the edge. You know what I'm saying? Extra $500 to $1,000. So like I said, man, just hit me up. Like I said, you gotta be serious. Don't waste your time, and especially don't waste mine, because I said I will ignore you. Like I said, I got a lot of people hitting me up, and once I get to you, you hit me up with some mumbo jumbo stuff, you probably ain't gonna ever hear from me again. So like I said, my time is valuable, so I'm gonna treat you like your time is valuable. You know what I mean? Because like I said, that's just what we do over here in Team SGM. But anyways, like I said, the link will be in the description below. Follow me on social media, and you already know, the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink, I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink, I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink, I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink.